Good morning, everyone. Myself, Muralidhara Reddy. In this video, we are going to discussing about what is GitHub, how to create the GitHub account. Let's see one by one. Okay. Let's see the demo. First one, what is GitHub? GitHub is a remote repository. Using GitHub, you'll be store the repositories. Okay. Inside the GitHub, you can store multiple repositories like either public repository and private repository. If you store the public repository, whoever access that particular repository, they can able to access. If you store in private repository, whoever access that particular account, they can able to view and access that particular repository. Remember, here we may use sometimes repository, sometimes project. Project or repository both are same, but professionally we can call it as a repository. Okay, and this is the repository. This is the GitHub default website, github.com. Okay, here if you click this one, first we have to log in. Okay, before going to login, we have a multiple pricing plans is there in GitHub. Let's see GitHub pricing. Okay, here we have total 3 plans. One is free. Currently we are using free. You can store up to we can store multiple public and private repositories. If you observe here, unlimited public and private repositories up to 500 MB only. Okay, in case if you want to use team, if you want to use enterprise, you can use it. Remember, in real time, mostly we'll be use team or enterprise. Based on project to project, will be changed. Okay, some project they will be used enterprise, some project will be used team, but our practice purpose we are using free. Okay, and coming to the next one, creation of GitHub account. I'm going to here only. Here we have a sign up, right? Click the sign up button. Now here you have to give your mail ID, enter your mail ID. I'm giving here DevOps by @gmail. Okay, then continue. Then you have to set the password. For example, I'm setting the password here. Okay, then continue. But it is, the password is you should be mentioned. Okay, fine. It should be password is strong. Then click the continue. Then you have to set the username. This username is visible to everyone. So I'm setting here the username is DevOps by Murali. Okay, if you observe here, this particular DevOps by Murali is not available. Just I'm giving DevOps by Murali 1, 2, 3. That's it. Not available. Okay. 250. Fine. If you observe here, this username is available. Okay, then continue. Now here you have to give yes or no option. Give the, if you want to receive any GitHub related products, if you want to receive the mail, you can give yes or else no. I don't require. I'm giving no. And then here you have to complete this puzzle, start puzzle. Here you have to now I'm creating account, create account. Once you create account, it will be send the OTP to this particular mail ID. Let me see. You observe here, we receive that OTP and I'm copying this one and I'm entering here. Okay, just we have to enter 2851. Okay, then you have to enter 2251. Okay, once it is done, it will be redirected here. Just you have to select I'm a student. Okay, just for me, just continue. And we don't require this, just click the continue. And here you want to choose for free, and also you are the student, right? It is providing free of some other things. And also if you require for $1 per month, you have to pay $4 per month per user. But I don't require this one, just I'm using continue for free. Okay, it may take little bit time to create your dashboard for the particular user. Our user is DevOps by Murali 1, 2, 3, 4, right? If you observe here, this is the GitHub account. Okay, if you see in right side, we have a my user, right? This is the username DevOps by Murali 2580. And if you see here, we have a profile and we have a repository. There are a lot of options is there. I will show you later part at GitHub dashboard. But the main intention for this video is just what is GitHub and the creation of a GitHub account. Okay, got it right? Any questions? No, right? If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I will try to respond as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video. We will see you next video.